What if I told you there are 7 things women absolutely crave, but almost never say out loud? Not because they're shy, but because they assume you already know. Spoiler, most people don't. Stay until number 3, because that one changes everything. Welcome back. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the unspoken desires that women secretly love, the ones they dream about but rarely ask for. These aren't scandalous, they're deeply human, and once you understand them, your relationship will never be the same. Let's get into it. 1. Being noticed without saying a word. Women love when you notice the small things, a new haircut, a mood shift, the effort she put into an outfit she didn't mention. She's not testing you, she's hoping you're paying attention. What she secretly thinks, if he notices, it means he truly sees me. Tip? Once a day, notice one thing and say it out loud. That alone is wildly underrated. Number 2, being chaste even in a committed relationship. Pursuit doesn't have to end at yes. Women secretly love when their partner still tries, plans a surprise, sends a flirty text for no reason, shows up with her favorite snack. The naughty part is she wants to feel like you'd choose her again today if you had the choice. Tip? Act like you're still trying to win her over, because you should be. 3. Being told exactly what you think of her. Not compliments, declarations. There's a difference between "you look nice" and "I looked at you from across the room and forgot what I was doing." Women crave specificity. They love being seen with detail, because detail proves you're paying attention to her, not just a version of her. Tip? Be specific. Generic compliments feel copy-pasted. Specific ones feel like love letters. 4. Permission to do absolutely nothing. Here's a little naughty secret. Women love when someone insists they rest. Not just "it's okay if you relax," but actively creating space for her to switch off without guilt. Most women are wired to keep going, keep giving. Being told, "I've got this, you relax," is genuinely intoxicating. Tip? Take something off her plate without being asked. Watch what happens. 5. Playful tension, not just seriousness. Women secretly love a little teasing, a little wit, a little "you drive me crazy" in the best way. Relationships that have inside jokes, playful banter, and light sarcasm feel alive. She doesn't always want deep. Sometimes she wants to laugh until it hurts. Tip? Be the person who makes her laugh and feel desired. That combination is rare. Protect it. 6. Being heard without advice being given. She vents, you immediately offer solutions. She goes quiet. Sound familiar? Women secretly love when someone just holds the space. No fixing, no suggestions, just genuine listening. It feels like emotional intimacy without having to ask for it. Tip? Before jumping in, ask, "Do you want advice or do you just want me to listen?" That question alone, life-changing. 7. Being chosen in public. The small gesture of a hand on her back, introducing her proudly, looking at her first when something funny happens. Women deeply love feeling chosen, especially when no one's watching you score points. It signals something primal. I'm proud you're with me. Tip? Be the partner who makes her feel like the main character, not a supporting role. None of these are complicated. They don't cost money. They just require attention and a willingness to give someone what they need before they have to ask. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you want more content like this, subscribe. New video drops every week. See you next time.